Hi class, my name is Lauren Hobbs and I'm coming to you from Preston, Idaho. I have lived in Idaho for about 6 years. My husband and I met up at BYU, Idaho, or as we say, BYU I do. We were in the same family home evening group. Shout out to anyone else who met in a family home evening group. But we have been married for almost 5 years this summer, and we have a cute daughter, Audrey Kate, who we just celebrated her first birthday a few days ago. So I am taking this course because, like most of you, it is required for my major, but also I'm super interested in conflict management. It's always been something that has sparked my interest and I've wanted to learn more about. Um, So, a few goals that I've set. My main one is to get the highest grade that I can in this class. I'm working really hard to improve my GPA. I had a few health problems previous semesters, and so I had to drop a lot of classes, and I failed a few classes because of health reasons. So, I'm working super hard to bring up all my grades. I thought it paused, but yep, that's a little bit about me. And ask me any more questions. I'll be sure to answer them. Yeah, I'm excited to learn with you guys and to learn more about each of you and to grow together over the course of the semester. Thanks for watching.